Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have both workbooks open and saved. Now begin. Select the destination cell where you want live values. Type equals, then switch to the source workbook and click the cell to reference. Press Enter. If you need a range, name it first to avoid broken links. Make sure headers and formats match so formulas behave predictably. Once done, save both files to preserve the external reference path and note whether you'll move files later, because links use file locations. Now you'll implement the robust middle steps. Choose XLOOKUP for exact matches across sheets. Write the lookup value, specify return column, and set not found behavior. If data is large or needs transformation, use Power Query. Get data from workbook, pick the sheet, transform columns, then merge queries on a matching key. Once merged, close and load to a table. Make sure to set refresh options so updates propagate when source files change. Finish by validating every linked cell and refreshing all connections. Change one source value and confirm the destination updates. If links break, edit links to update source paths or relink moved files and redefine any renamed sheets or ranges. Make sure calculation mode is automatic and save a backup. One key troubleshooting tip: if formulas show #ref, immediately check whether the source workbook was renamed or moved. Repoint the link or recreate the named range to restore references.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.